Entered this trade in the J period. I didn't get the entry, but you can see I entered right there. Basically, at that point, it was kind of a low volume node, so I picked that spot. And then your stop would go under that I period, regardless of where you got in. I thought we could at least make it back to the highs there and test that. That's the I high. So I have where that area is highlighted. Basically, I thought we could at least make it back to the bottom of that highlighted area. And you're also watching the value area low, which right now is that purple because that's the weekly value area low and today's value area low. It does kind of grind around here and definitely goes lower, but I didn't want to miss it. So it does kind of grind around here. I just thought we had that big move up from the bottom, and they were going to try to. I figured that they were going to try to test those highs again and push on that area. I took a trade just like this on Friday. It was a little short, like 25 tick trade. I think it was in J period as well. It looked very similar how they're pushing up real strong and they keep grinding on that top, and then even now it looks like K period's going to break out and possibly get up to that VWAP, which is what I was ultimately trying to do here, especially with that second order. I thought if we could get into that range, like the DEF, then obviously we'd be able to retrace that entire range there. And I'm watching here to make sure we get over that value area low, which is right now that purple line, because it's also the weekly value area low of this week. Make sure we don't get any big reactions there. And I thought if we get into K period, and it kind of came up to that area, started to roll over on me, then I would just close the trade. There it took out my first target at the 27 ticks. So now I'm thinking it's really going to take off here, and I'm looking for it to break that J or extend that J high. And then you also have that, you have the half back there. So I think you're going to want to watch that. I really just wanted to see acceptance into this range, even if it moved up to half back and then come back and, tested kind of the low of it. And then I thought it would keep going, but it just really grinds around here. I, move my stop up and I adjust that a few times because it just it really looks like it wants to do it. And right here, it bounces up that value area low. So I open that stop up a little bit and just give it a little bit more room. I was thinking of, that halfback is 40. So if we got above that, I wouldn't want to give that back. So, and like I said, I thought if we could get into there, we got some big reaction off that halfback, I would just close it. If we got over that halfback, I would move my stop up to that halfback because I wouldn't give that 40 ticks back. It tries it, 3-4 times, and I just feel like, it's going to want to try to come back lower. There's lots of room there for the K period to, extend lower, kind of where my stop is. And right there, I take it at 76. So that was 27 on the first one and 24 on the second one.